Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. Recently, the price line of SLP has again bounced by the support of this bearish pennant on the 4-hourly time frame, and in today's video, we will take a look whether the price line is going to break out the resistance of this bearish pennant or we are going to break down the support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me show you this bearish pennant. And as you know that in my last video, I was telling you that the price line of SLP can break out another bearish pennant within next few hours. This was the video that I shared almost 1 day ago. And right now you can see that the price line is still moving inside this bearish pennant. Now here, the point that is the very important point is that we are testing the resistance more than the support. That is another signal that we can break out the resistance of this bearish pennant. However, we can also see that we have broken down a very significant support of 2.45 cents that I've been telling you is very important support for us in the short term. And we can see here it has been working as a resistance, here as a support, here as a support, and recently again it was working as a support. But after breaking it down, we can see even after several attempts, the price line is not able to break it out, and it worked as a nice resistance here, and we move more down. But during this move, we have formed this bearish pennant, and we can see that since after 10th of Feb, we are still moving in this bearish pennant and not able to break out the resistance. And testing the resistance, testing the support, but tests at the resistance are more than the support. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line will break out the bearish pennant. And as you know that bearish pennants and falling wedges or down channels are bullish bias pattern. Therefore, we can hope that the price line will break out the resistance rather than breaking down the support. Now, the last support, not last, but very important support we have at 1.75 cents here, that I've been telling you that even on the daily time frame, when we broke out this channel, then here we tested the support for the past several days. We found the support here. We moved down, even broke down the support, but before breaking out this channel, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, we had again tested this support here at 1.75 cents, and after confirming this support, we moved up and broke out the channel on the daily time frame, and this was really very long-term channel. Therefore, I have been telling you this 1.75 cents should be used as a stop loss if you are trading this breakout from the channel. And the more important thing over here is happening on the chart is on the daily time frame, we are also testing the previous long-term channel's resistance as a support. That is very significant move here that SLP token is forming right now. And after this retest, we can expect a very powerful reversal from here, and this can be another very nice buy the dip opportunity. And many traders would be watching this move that SLP is right now testing the support of a very big long-term channel right now. Therefore, it is possible that many traders will buy SLP token here at this support. And indeed, a bullish candlestick has appeared after test of this previous resistance of the channel as a support. However, if the price line re-enters the channel, that will be alarming situation. And if we will break down this support of 1.75, then it will be more devastating. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this support, the previous resistance of the channel, and also the support of 1.75 cents. For example, if this support will be broken down, then we can move more down here to test the previous 1 cent support level. So next few hours are again very important. We are at the very end of this bearish pennant. You can see that it is getting more and more squeezed. And remember, it is testing the resistance more than the support. And if we take a look at this oscillator, I would like to recall that we have broken out this channel with the bullish divergence on the daily time frame. We had the oscillator was forming a higher low than previous low, and if we take a look at the price line above the oscillator, it was forming lower than previous low. So there was a hidden bullish divergence before this breakout. Therefore, it is possible that after this retest we will have a reversal move from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.